doing? Welcome back to a brand new video. Now today you join me in Farnham. Now this video is going to be slightly different. It's a drive-by car show hosted by Surrey S13. So we just parked up at Sainsbury's. We're walking to Shepherd Flock roundabout now, and let's just jump to it. I don't really know what's going to show up yet because lockdown is happening Thursday, so there may not be a lot, but yeah, let's just get to it anyway. So we already have some people here, including an Evo. This is normally where everyone stands, but because of social distancing, we're just going to be around this area or so. And then look, we have a classic. Here we are. There you have an EP3 35 GTR. Whoa, we got some flames. Find gold. Oh, I'm zoomed in, I didn't even realise, my bad. And a Celica. There we are. He's trying to keep quiet. If anyone knows what that is, let me know. I don't really know any classics. Loads of wheel spin there. stopped in a pub and now they are over here. Don't know what they're gonna say, but we are socially distanced away from everyone. Like, there's people there, people over there, we're on our own over here, so I don't know what they're gonna say. She has just told everyone to move, even though it's a public footpath. Like, I'm socially distanced away from everyone. It's a public footpath, yet we have to move for no reason. I really like these classic Mustangs. I think they're cool. Is back. Right, so we're now back in the car at Sainsbury's. That meet only went on for around about 2 hours. It's just started raining, so we're gonna head home. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm not too sure how long it is. I don't know how many clips I got, but hopefully you have all enjoyed this video anyway. I've got a couple more on the way, so stay tuned for that. And I'll catch you all in my next video. Peace out.